Yes. Okay. Wire, 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 wire. Okay. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to move because we're in 2025 and we have to move very fast and move with a lot of speed. It's time to go straight to the point and never to beat around the bush, never to do sugar coating, never to do butter coating, never to do milk or honey coating, but say it the way I saw it. Right. I'm going to say it the way I saw it in Bulawayo, Matebeleland. Okay, this is my background. This is my preamble to this video, to this amazing story. Right now, I went to Bulawayo. Sorry for my pronunciation. I went to Bulawayo in January 2025 to February 2025 this year. Right. I was doing this job in this other company based in Harare, Zimbabwe. I was working, I was a worker, a staff member in this other company. So my job was to talk, speak, communicate, negotiate with clients at every school, from every college, from every university, and from every hospital or clinic. These civil servants. So I was talking to them, chatting with them, negotiating business, talking about business, doing transactions, doing business, undertaking dealings with the civil servants in Zimbabwe. At every hospital, clinic, you talk of police station, you talk of university, college, every school, primary or high school. This was the nature of my job, in short. Then I was in Bulawayo town, Bulawayo city. Then I saw this kind of schools by the name Milton High School, by the name Gifford High School. Then I saw this other one by the name Townsend High School. I'm like, ah. So I'm looking at the quality of the school. I'm looking at the teachers. I'm looking basically at everything. I'm looking generally at everything because I like to see things. I like to observe. This is the kind of vibe that you see in me. I like to see. I like to observe. I like to go deeper, looking, checking, observing, discovering things, researching things, using my eyes and connecting them to my brain, connecting them to my mind. This is what I was doing. When I went to Townsend this other day, when I went to Gifford High School this other day, when I went to Milton High School this other day, I'm like, what? In Bulawayo, there's this kind of schools under Matebelin province, under Matebelin region. They have this kind of schools. They possess the possession of this kind of schools. I was very happy. I was very excited. This because I was not expecting to see that kind of a picture in Bulawayo or in Matebelin, to see such kind of schools. I'm used to see those schools in Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe. Those mega kind of schools, those super kind of schools, those top quality, top notch kind of schools. And now, boom, I'm going to Bulawayo. I'm doing my work, I'm doing my business in this company from Harare, Zimbabwe. And right in front of my face, right in front of my body, right in front of my presence, right in front of my whole being, I'm seeing these schools. And my 2 feet have landed on those schools. And I'm talking with the teachers. I'm negotiating business, even with the headmaster or deputy headmaster or the mistress. I'm like, what? I was very happy. I was very excited because I was not expecting at all to see such kind of schools in Bulawayo City, in Bulawayo town. Like I said, Milton High School, Townsend, Gifford. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. Talk of the infrastructure, talk of the discipline of the students, talk of the smartness of the students that I saw, talk about the quality, even of the dressing of the teachers. I'm like, what? In Bulawayo? In Matebelend? So everything, basically speaking, or generally speaking, was just on point. I have to be very honest with myself. so that God will not judge me for telling a lie. I have to be very honest with myself. I have to be very honest with all the efforts that are being made in Bulawayo or in Matabeleland to make sure that such kind of schools are always top quality, are always premium quality. So I'm being honest right now. I was happy. I was excited. Deep inside my heart, from the bottom of my heart, I was celebrating what I was seeing. Even the school buses, the school transport was just on point. Of course, at a Zimbabwean level, according to my judgment, at a Zimbabwean level, I think it was fine. At an African level, I think it was good. I think it was okay. I think it was very fine. The school buses, the transportation system, the communication, the discipline of the students, like I said, the quality of the buildings, the quality of the offices, the resources available, the books, and other assets, resources available. I was looking on all these things. I was checking, observing, trying to understand, trying to go deeper in everything that was unfolding or uncovering itself right before me. And I was so much interested in the education system in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland region. I'm like, what? In this Zimbabwe, country of Zimbabwe, nation of Zimbabwe, in Bulawayo, with this kind of schools? Wow. So everything was just wow, 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 wow. I have to be honest, I was very happy. Even now, as I talk to you, my heart is jumping with the joy. My heart is skipping with excitement because of what I'm telling you in this video right now, because of what I'm discussing, sharing with you in this video right now. Milton, I salute you. Gifford High School, I salute you. Townsend, I salute you. Ngulumane High School, I was there, I salute you. Mzilikazi High School, Luveve High School, I salute you. Mgangweni, Mtumbani, Mkandeni, all these schools, I salute you. Mutisile, Sobukazi, I salute you. Mpopoma High School, Njube High School, Pumula South, Pumula High School, I salute you. Of course, you have to try a lot harder. You have to try more. You have to do more. You have to do your best. I understand. I know. I'm a Zimbabwean. I'm an African. I know these situations. Pumula South, Pumula, even Mzilikazi, Luveve, Sobukazi, Sikulile High School, Mutisile. You have to try more. Njube, Ngulumane, Mgangweni, Ngulumane, Mkandeni, Mtumbani. You have to try more. You have to do a lot harder. In terms of everything, upgrading everything, more resources, everything, more quality, more quality, more quality. I don't know how many times I can repeat this word. More quality, more quality, more quality. All these latter schools that I mentioned, but the first ones, they are very good. Milton, Townsend, Gifford, they are very good. Very fine. Very okay. According to what I saw. At an African level, they are good. At a Zimbabwean level, they are good. I was happy. I was excited. Schools in Bulawayo, because I was dealing with the civil servants, talking, chatting, negotiating, doing business with them, undertaking dealings at a big level. I was so happy. Okay, you have been listening to this video. What do you say? What are your comments? What are your honest thoughts, random thoughts in your mind, in your head, in your brain? Write or type in the comment section. I'll come and check them out. I'll attend to such comments. Let's talk further. You can join this conversation about schools in Bulawayo, the way I mentioned, and every point that I raised. Do you agree or you don't agree? Do you support what I'm saying or you don't support it? Do you subscribe to what I'm saying or you don't subscribe? Do you share the same feelings or emotions, or do you share the same things that, like the way I said it, or you don't? Join the conversation, join the talk in the comments box, in the comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.